Hello, Facebook. Hi, everybody. Happy Tuesday to you. It is Tuesday, October 19th, and I am live here at Aroma Time, ready for my cocktail of the day. Sorry, it's a little bit later than 4 o'clock. I typically try to be on around 4 o'clock or so. It's been a little bit later lately, 4:15, 4:30, but catch me every day here live on Facebook. So every day except for Saturday and Sunday, and I try to do it every day. So some days I miss, but I'm always trying to bring you some really cool, fun cocktails. So I'm sorry about Friday. Friday, I never put my cocktail up. It never went live, so I apologize about that. I tried it twice, and both times it actually got deleted. So I apologize about that. So this is take 3 for my pumpkin spice drink. And thanks for everybody for joining me. Hello, Terry. Hello, Christina. Hello, Sean. Hello, Howard. If you are watching me live, if you could put hashtag live in the comments. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. Tell me your favorite fall drink. Tell me what you are drinking these days. Tell me something you found out at a restaurant that you really loved. I'd love to hear what you are drinking these days, because fall time in the Hudson Valley is such an awesome time. I mean, there are apples, there are pumpkins, there are apple ciders, and the fall time here is just so beautiful. The mountains are changing, and I think we only have 1 or 2 weeks left. One big storm's gonna come along and knock all the leaves down, but get out there, enjoy. Today was absolutely beautiful. I just got done with a walk. I went to the gym with Courtney this morning, and it is beautiful outside. It's gorgeous. Enjoy the sun while we have it. I know that the next 2 days are supposed to be nice, and then rain, I think, is coming this weekend for a little bit. So, but I appreciate everybody watching me. I just got my notification that I am live, so hopefully some people will be joining me. Hello, Sabrina. Hello, Anthony. Hello, Jessel. Mike, thank you everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. So Aroma Time is closed tonight. It's closed Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Let's see, I'm getting back into martinis and also enjoying my favorite California red Zins. I would agree with that. So Zinfandel is my absolutely favorite red grape, or wine, I should say, grape. I love it. It's so good. And I'm looking forward to drinking a Zinfandel this winter, or this fall into the winter. So let's see. Hello, Michelle. Hello, Stuart. Mike, hello everybody. Wow, lots of people on today. So thanks for joining me. I really appreciate it. Again, Aroma Time is closed Tuesday and Wednesday. We are open again on Thursday. Our $9.99 special will come out on Thursday. So it'll run Thursday to Monday now. It's takeout only. Great deals. Don't miss these $9.99 takeout specials. They are awesome. You don't want to miss them because they are really popular. So let's see. So today I'm going to be making a pumpkin spice. Monday night, next Monday, what is the date? 23rd, 24th, 25th, October 25th, we have a wine dinner. It is 4 wines and a dish for $29. It's the chef's choice. If you have a allergy or dietary restriction, just let us know and we'll make sure that the dish that you get fits what you can eat. So hello Matthew, hello Michelle, wave hello Stuart, thanks everybody. My family will be at your restaurant this Friday. We'll be visiting from Florida and always eat at your restaurant when, let's see if I can see what that says. Oh, I can't see anymore. When we're in town. Awesome, can't wait to see you. Anthony, just make sure you say hello to me. I'd love to see you. I love to see when people watch me and then they come into the restaurant. So catch Marcus's Facebook Live from this morning. I know he talked about eggs. Go back and watch his Facebook Live. Monday night, $29, 4 wines and a dish. Can't beat it. Chef's choice, but awesome. We've been doing these every 2 weeks. We do a beer dinner once a month as well, and they are unbelievable. So we are super busy this weekend. Make sure you call and make reservations. We have some off-premise catering that we're going to be doing, And we have lots of catering actually this weekend. We have rehearsal dinner on Friday night. So we have a wedding on Saturday. We have brunch on Sunday. So super busy. And we have an event Wednesday night. So if you really want to come to Aroma Time and you want to support the Boys and Girls Club of, I think it's of Orange County, so out of Middletown area, they are doing an event here. It's $50 a ticket. It's a wine and cheese event. And we will be donating proceeds back to the Boys and Girls Club. If you would like information on that, 845-647-3000. That will be hopefully outside in our garden tomorrow night, fingers crossed, that it will be outside and nice out. So give me a call if you're interested in attending that. That is a fundraiser that we are going to be doing for the Boys and Girls Club. So if you are dying for Aroma Time tomorrow night and you want to come and enjoy some wine and cheese and some other things out in the garden, we'd love to have you. So just give us a call, 845-647-3000. Okay, on to my pumpkin spice drink. So I am going to be using Cooper's Daughter, which is from Old York Farms in Claverack, New York. This is their pumpkin spiced vodka. And from what I understand, it's only flavored with pumpkin. So it's vodka flavored with pumpkin. Awesome, amazing vodka. I'm going to be using Catskill Mountain Sugar House, their maple syrup, and Hella, which is a Brooklyn Mexican chocolate bitters. And so everything in this drink is local to New York. Everything is local to New York. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to get started on my drink. And then I'm going to roast a marshmallow. So don't go anywhere so you can see how I do it. All right. So I am starting with ice in my shaker. I am going, Marcus is just getting back from a bike ride. So if you heard him in the background, he's saying hello because we're closed today. So let's see. Okay, 2 ounces of pumpkin spice vodka. You're gonna put about, oh, and by the way, this recipe will be on our, on my email tomorrow. So catch it tomorrow. It is gonna be it's my email. So the recipe's in the email. That'll go out tomorrow. So if you're not on Aroma Time's email list, go ahead and sign up for it. Go to aromatimebistro.com. 2 ounces of Catskill sugar maple syrup, and about 10 drops of chocolate bitters. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna shake that up, and hopefully this works today. I gotta tell you, my Facebook Live on Friday, I could not get it published for anything, so. All right. And I'm gonna put my drink on the rocks. So pumpkin spice. And then I am going to toast a marshmallow, which I think is kind of everybody's favorite part of this drink. So I am going to put a marshmallow on a stick. I'm gonna just get it a little bit wet with the vodka, just from the glass, and then I'm going to light it on fire. So I'm gonna toast it for you. All right. And you know, you can toast this as much as you like. You can let it burn. You can let it get crispy, however you'd like it. I like my marshmallows a little toasty. And there you have it. And I'm gonna put that right there on top of the drink. And there you have it. So my pumpkin spice drink, let's go ahead and taste away. And if I do that with the marshmallow, it just puts a little smokiness into the drink, so. Oh, that is so yummy. You need to get a bottle of this, this pumpkin spice. Cooper's Daughter. You can find them at a lot of farmers markets. They like to be at the farmers markets. The maple syrup just makes this drink. Thanks everybody for watching me. Hello everybody, Jennifer and Howard, and let's see who else is on. Jesse, Terry, Calvin, Michelle. Thank you everybody for watching me. I really appreciate it. I am gonna actually go sit outside, enjoy my drink, enjoy this beautiful weather that we are having. Tonight we're doing a staff event here at the restaurant. We're gonna be carving pumpkins with our staff and having dinner together. We like to do that, you know, every so often, just to kind of keep us away from the work zone and in our family zone. So, you know, all of our staff here at Aroma Time is part of Marcus and my family, and we like to do fun events with them time outside of working. So thank you everybody for watching. Hello, Carol, Michelle, bye. Have a great night. Thank you for watching me, and I'm gonna get going. Cheers and have an amazing, amazing night, and hopefully I'll see you tomorrow.